Hello class! Welcome to Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. This is Teacher Cherie, and for today we are going to learn about your alphabet. Yes, that's right. Now class, for today we are going to learn about your letter F. Okay, very good. Now here class, this is letter F, and the sound of letter F is F, F, F. Okay, let's say it together. F, F, F. Okay, yes, that's very well. Now let's say it again. F, F, F. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Now let's continue class to the next page. Now let's say it together. F, F, fan. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it together. F, F, fan. Okay, yes, that's right. Now let's say it together, class. Fan. Okay, very good. Now let's continue to the next one. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it together. Fly. F, F, fly. Let's say it again. F, F, fly. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it again. Fly. Good job. Now let's continue to the next one. Oh, it's a fish. Let's say it together. F, F, fish. Yes, very good. Let's say it again. F, F, fish. Yes, that's perfect. And let's say it again. Fish. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's continue to the next one. Okay, now here class, all these words begin with letter F. Let's say it together. Face. Okay, let's say it. F, F, face. Oh, let's say it again. F, F, face. Very good. Let's say it again. Face. That's right. Now let's continue to the next one. Family. F, F, family. F, F, family. Okay, yes, that's right. Let's say it again. Family. Oh, that's perfect. Now how about the next one? Let's say it. Oh, it's a fairy. Let's say it together. F, F, fairy. Let's say it again. F, F, fairy. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Now let's say these words together. Face. Very good. Family. That's right. And let's say the last one. Fairy. Okay, good job. Now let's continue class. Now let's learn how to write your letter F. But first class, let's try to write your uppercase F. First, let's try to write a straight line from top to bottom. Okay, let's try it. 1. Very good. And then let's start from the top and let's make a straight line from the side. Okay, very good. That's right. Now here, 2. Very good. Now let's continue with the middle part. Let's draw a straight line to the side. 3. Okay, yes, that's right. Very good. Now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Now let's try to write your lowercase letter F. Okay, now class, let's try to write it first with a curved line to the corner. 1. Okay, and it falls down a straight line like this. Okay, 1. Okay, very good. 1. That's right. And let's go at the middle part and let's draw a straight line to the side. Okay, 2. Okay, very good. 2. 1, 2. Okay, yes, that's perfect. Class, you did a very good job today, and I hope to see you again soon to our next lesson. And for our next lesson class, we are going to learn about the letter G. Are you excited? Yes, me too. And don't forget to like our Facebook page, Peniel Learning Center. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Peniel Learning Center YouTube channel. Okay, see you again, class. Bye!